Okay folks, just a quick update on the Galaxy DX979. Since the video last night, I ended up having to replace the mic cord, which I already went ahead and did. I was going to record it, but I said it's pretty tedious to rewire this. Besides, I had to make up a wiring diagram of the old mic cord, the way it was wired up, and make sure that it matched what I had here. So that's the way it was originally wired. Anybody wants to have a little screenshot of this, and from that it was wired like this, and then I changed the wiring to this to match the mic cord that I had. So there we have it. So anyways, the DX979 by Galaxy is now repaired and working as it should. This here is the old mic cord that was originally on the radio. This part here had the mic plug attached to it, so it was up pretty close, and then this was inside. But it had a broken wire inside. So the best spot for that right there, so it's never used again. But and there we have it. So she's totally working. The faults I found: she had no sound, meter was sticking, mic PTT faulty, EL lighting was dead, external speaker jack was bad, the meter wire was broken, speaker wires was bad, microphone cord was bad, radio would not power up. So I managed to repair all those little problems, all 9 of them, and tested the radios for a dummy load. And of course on my Yaesu FT840 sitting over here with the attenuator turned on, and the Galaxy DX979 is now ready for action. Anyway folks, I hope you enjoyed the videos on this radio, and the next video or next series we got coming up is on everybody's favorite radio, the President HR 2510. All the best folks, and 73, Reno 63, out.